Today, we will talk about well-being.
Do we have to?
Yes. For example, smoking affects well-being because your lungs will blacken, which means you cannot breathe.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. I took drugs and I smoked and now my voice has changed.
Thank you, Hillary.
Oh yeah? What is 8 times 8?
64.
64.
Wrong. 8, carry the 3, add 1. I will get back to you.